Hi students, I wanted to show you how to take your quiz in Spark. So notice in coursework it says that your weekly quiz is due 11:59 p.m. Sunday night in Spark. You won't be able to access it after that time. So go to Spark in Blackboard and select Spark Login and go to Tests. And you'll select the Unit 1 quiz due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Going to open this quiz, Unit 1 quiz copy, just to demonstrate. So select Open. Notice it should say you have it'll say you have 8 hours to take the test. So click Start Test and read the instructions. We're looking for the correct synonym here. So you have to spell the answer correctly or it is wrong. So you could type it, but if you're afraid that you might misspell it, you could, of course, copy and paste it. Okay, you'd go through and follow the instructions. Here you match the word with a definition. So, for example, you would select the word factor and find the definition and pull it down to the definition, like that. Here you have a reading. Notice the reading has paragraphs A through F. Okay, so be sure you notice that. Select the right answer. And notice, suppose you have to stop taking your test for some reason. Your child calls you or you have something to do. You can X out, log out of Spark, log back in later, and click Open later to complete your test. And you can X out and open it as many times as you need to. You have to go through and complete the whole test though, as long as you don't exceed 8 hours in taking the test. Notice when you get to the final page of the test, there's a check mark on the right side. And if you select the check mark, that means you submit the test or give the test to your teacher. You can X out as many times as you want and open the test and change it. However, if you select submit, that's it. You've submitted the test. You're done. Your responses have been submitted. You can see your answers after the due date of the test. So after 11:59 p.m. on Sunday nights. To see them, you go again to tests and you go to complete. And here you can find your complete quizzes. I can't see these yet because they haven't passed the due date, but let me open this one to show you what it looks like. Here you can see your total score out of 100, your total score out of the number of the test questions, and you can go in and see your mistakes by clicking on the bottom left. There's a little arrow. Okay, so that's how you take your test in Spark. And as always, let me know if you have any questions.